Good morning, welcome back to DuckSport. Today we're down at Steve Walford Motorsport to work on the 100E project. The plan today then is to make the car a rolling chassis. So we're going to be bolting on some Sierra front uprights, some Mark 1 Focus coilovers, some customised top mounts and a Volvo rear axle. Let's get to work.
I think perhaps need to try wheels. The wheel's got a lot of inset, it'll be alright.
Let's grab a wheel. So Steve's just popped in to have some lunch. I've just had a sandwich and I'm just messing about with sort of positioning of the front suspension, and got a wheel on, and this is kind of what it looks like. So it's definitely going to need some more repositioning just to get it just right, and it's going to need a couple of brackets making up, but I think the stance is going to be perfect. So just stripping down the rear axle now to start marking that up. That's the brackets off, just got some rubbers left on there to pull off, and that's the axle basically stripped down. Steve's working on getting the brackets onto the axles, so I'm working on building up the actual forelinks. So first the forelink brackets, just trimmed and put into place and ready for welding up.
I'm going to just try that and that.
Yeah?
It's on enough to
just see if it's all going to fit. Okay, that's the forelinks in the car. The brackets are tacked into place on the axle. I might have time for a trial fit. Just chucked a couple of wheels on, just to get an idea what it's going to look like. Obviously, there's no suspension in there at the moment, so we're just going to chuck a jack under the diff and see what it looks like. So it's a bit far forward in the arch, but those links are at the shortest possible.
Yeah, yeah.
It's only a little bit.
Yeah, yeah, it's only, yeah.
But
they'll. Look, that bit we've only got the adjustment on, haven't we?
Yeah.
On the thing, so that comes down to where they fitted the boxes, really.
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, as I said, the links are at the basically as short as they'll go. So, bottom link probably wants lengthening. Top link might be alright. Might need changing to suit how long the bottom link goes, but yeah.
Oh, this is more about make sure I put the brackets in the right place.
Quickly losing the light here, but just chucked the steering rack in so it's in and out of the way. Steve's just doing the rest of the welding up on the axle, and then we're going to put the car away for tonight and be back next weekend to finish making this thing a roller.